What's up everyone, welcome to the Switching Gears channel. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the alert button, that way you can be reminded what's going on here at the Switching Gears channel. And if you're returning, thanks for tuning back in. Now finally, what I've been waiting for, after removing the turn signals and putting those turn signal blocks in, we're going to be adding a tour pack to my 2020 Harley Davidson Lowrider S. Now, that might pop some questions into your head, but we're going to get to that after the intro. For those of you with a Softail Lowrider S that have been thinking about adding a tour pack on there and have been looking up on the internet and can't seem to find anything, I'm going to give you a pretty simple answer to that. Now, thanks to the help of my friend Riding Dad, he told me that the Sport Glide tour pack will fit on the back of your 2020 Harley Davidson Lowrider S. Now, I don't plan on using this a lot. In order to save some money and not spend $230 on the tour pack rack, I went on to Amazon and I found the same exact part for, I believe it was $60, $80. I can't remember. I'll have the link for all the products today in the description below. But I found the same exact rack on Amazon. Now, I didn't want to buy the regular old tour pack that you can buy off the Harley Davidson website either. I wanted to go with something a little bit different and kind of fit my style a little bit more. Now, you can go with whatever you want, but I decided to go with the Pelican Air 1556 because the dimensions seem to just suit my style more. So I went with these clips and the red handles to go with the look of the Blood Slug. You also got two holes here, that way you're able to fully lock and secure your case depending on wherever you're going. These clip latches, whatever you want to call them, they also seem to hold the lid down tight, and once you pop it open, the lid does hold itself in place. Alright, so prior to this video, I already measured out where I want the holes to be placed on the Pelican case. So enough talking about all this stuff. Let's get this on the bike. Alright, so if you haven't already noticed, I did want to let you guys know that in order to make sure it was flush on the tour pack mount, I did take a razor blade and shave these off. That way I was able to sit flush on the tour pack. So in order to make sure I had a good seal inside the Pelican case, I went with these rubber and metal washers to go on the bolts, as well as another rubber and metal washer to go on the bottom once I place the tour pack on, and the nut to go behind it to tighten it down. Alright, now that we got these on, let's get the tour pack up. That way we're able to put the other washers on and align the bolts onto the tour pack. Now that we got all all this on. Let's get that tour pack rack up here and get this all fastened down. And when you're ready, All right, now that we got all the hardware fastened down, let's go ahead and get this on the bike. Another neat little thing that this comes with is a cord holder. You're able to, at least on this model, I guess, slip it in, lock it in. It goes here, and it also goes over on this side as well. All right, let's peel this bad boy off. Fresh. Honestly, the reason I decided to get this was I was tired of strapping down my book bag to my sissy bar, and I figured this is a whole lot easier to put 2 to 3 days worth of clothes and equipment and everything in there and lock it up. And if I really wanted to, I think that I can lock this down and even ratchet strap with these grooves here, maybe a couple items on top, or even put a luggage rack up here if I really wanted to. Honestly, the reason I got this is when we go on our trips, whether it be like camping trips, out-of-state trips, or our Forgotten Angels camp out trip that we try to make it to twice each year, I got really tired of strapping down a book bag to my sissy bar, and it wasn't really easily accessible to get into during the trip. But this allows me to easily be able to access whatever I want to get in here. Also, you can get attachments to put in here, but I plan on just loading it up with stickers I get on my travels. Now, not that I plan on using this feature all that much, if at all, but in case you have something heavy in this case, and as long as you line up everything well, you're still able to unlock the handlebar and wheel it back and forth. Alright everyone, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I had a whole lot of fun building this with y'all. If you haven't already, make sure you like, comment if you have any questions, subscribe to the channel, and hit that alert notification. That way you can be reminded what's going on here at the Switching Gears channel. See you on the next one.